Hello, welcome back to the Mark Janard Show, the tech show about hacking. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over the top 3 things that an entry-level professional should avoid. So I'm going to give you the top 3, and then I'm going to give you extra, like bonuses, like I think maybe roughly 8. So here's the top 3, and then I'm going to give you some nuggets extra, the 8, right? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Okay, so we're starting with number 1 of the top 3, right? We have neglecting foundational knowledge. Cybersecurity is a complex field that requires a strong foundation. Avoid rushing into specialized areas without acquiring essential knowledge in networking, operating systems, and programming. Build a solid understanding of the fundamentals before delving deeper into advanced topics. You would be surprised by the number of folks who can't answer a simple question about the CIA or its opposite, DAD. So I always get that deer in headlights look, okay? So number 2 of the top 3, we have skipping formal education. So there's mixed feelings on this one, right? Mostly because colleges cannot keep up with the ever-changing pace of the IT/cybersecurity space, right? You would be better serving getting a business degree and then a relevant security certification during your junior year. While self-study and online resources are valuable, formal education in cybersecurity can provide a well-rounded education and open doors to opportunities. Pursuing a degree or certification program will equip you with comprehensive knowledge and demonstrate your commitment to the field in the long run. Things like computer science, computer engineering, things like that. So I know countless individuals who tell me they have a cybersecurity degree, but they still have trouble getting a job. Number 3, here's the top 3, right? Here's the third one, ignoring hands-on experience. Cybersecurity is a hands-on discipline that demands practical skills. Avoid solely relying on theoretical knowledge. Seek out internships, entry-level positions, or volunteer opportunities to gain real-world experience. Work on projects and apply what you've learned. This is invaluable. Experience is gold in this industry. Make sure you get some. Number 4. Right? Here's the bonus, right? We're getting into the bonus, right? Underestimating the importance of continuous learning. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Failing to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and threats can render your knowledge obsolete. Commit to continuous learning through attending workshops, conferences, and engaging with professional communities. You will be learning something new every year of your career, so prepare for it. Number 5, overlooking networking opportunities. Networking is essential for career growth. Engage with industry professionals, attend cybersecurity events, join online communities, and establish connections with peers, mentors, and potential employers. Networking can provide valuable insights, job referrals, and support throughout your career. This is somewhat easier now with social media, but pressing the flesh is just as important after you sanitize them, of course. Number 6, neglecting soft skills. And this is a big one if you want to, get promoted, right? Technical skills alone won't guarantee success in cybersecurity. Effective communication, problem solving, teamwork, and leadership skills are equally important. Develop your soft skills to collaborate effectively with colleagues, present ideas, and solve complex problems. You will need communication skills and the ability to be agile and flexible to move ahead in this industry. Work on them soft skills and your customer service skills. Customer service skills. Number 7, disregarding ethical considerations. Think before you act. Ethics form the foundation of a successful cybersecurity career. It is crucial to understand legal and ethical boundaries and always operate within them. Engaging in illegal or unethical activities on a personal or professional level can ruin your professional reputation and potentially lead to legal consequences. Or as, some folks' dad would say, use your head for more than a hat rack. I messed up the joke. Use your head for more than a hat rack. Number 8, focusing solely on tools and technologies. While proficiency in cybersecurity tools is valuable, do not become overly reliant on them. Focus on understanding underlying concepts, methodologies, and strategies. Tools and technologies may change, but fundamental knowledge will remain applicable throughout your career. Number 9, neglecting specialization. Cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of domains. Avoid trying to be a jack of all trades and instead identify a specific area of interest to specialize in. By honing your expertise, you can become a sought-after professional in your chosen field. Define what you would like to do in cybersecurity, research it, and find the baseline level certification, then study for it. Learn the foundations first, okay? Number 10, overlooking industry certifications. Industry certifications serve as a validation of your skills and expertise. Do not underestimate their value. Research and pursue relevant certifications such as the Certified Information Security System, Certified Information System Security Professional, renowned as the CISSP, the Certified Ethical Hacker, the CEH, or the Certified Information Security Manager, the CISM, to enhance your credibility. If you're just starting out, of course, Security Plus would be a better certification to get. Keep in mind, you also need experience to get those certifications. Number 11, failing to build a professional brand. In today's competitive job market, establishing a strong professional brand can set you apart. Maintain an updated LinkedIn profile, contribute to cybersecurity communities through blogs or articles, and showcase your knowledge and expertise. Building a solid online presence can attract opportunities and create a positive impression. This is too important to pass up. Always become a brand ambassador for yourself. So these are some huge concepts and ideas for you to keep in your mind and tattoo them in your mind so that you can avoid going into the pitfalls that normally happen when individuals try to get into the cybersecurity industry. Is there any tips or advice that I left out that you think is better? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's get the conversation started. Please hit the notification bell. Please hit the subscribe button. Stay safe, okay? I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.